were just a hiccup to my heart. We didn't even last very long. All I know is I did my part, and now my case of hiccups is gone. You were a hiccup, a hiccup, a hiccup to my heart. A hiccup, a hiccup, a hiccup to my heart. It started when you said you needed space. I hadn't thought that anything was wrong, but then my head was all over the place, and I realized in my heart you don't belong. You were a hiccup, a hiccup, a hiccup to my heart. A hiccup, a hiccup, but now my case of hiccups is gone.